those who were the supporter of Tsar Empire or the autocracy, they made effort to control Russian Empire, because they were supported by French, American, British and Japanese troops. All these were the enemy of Russia, and they were not the enemy of Russia, but when the Russia withdraw the country from the First World War, so they turned against Russia and they were against the communism, the spread of communist state or socialist state. Because if you will see, so France, it was a capitalist country, America, it was a capitalist country, in Britain also it was a capitalist country, and in Japan also, Japan was enemy because already they had the Russian Japanese war. So all the enemies of Russia came together and supported pro Tsar group. So in this way, reds, greens, the whole Russia divided into red, green and whites, and within these three groups there were the war, and this war is known as the civil war. In this war, basically, if I will explain you, so red were the one party, and means there was a war between red versus green and whites, means green and whites were in one group and reds were in another group. So in this way the whole Russia was divided into red versus greens and whites. All these fought a war with the Bolsheviks. These troops and Bolsheviks fought a civil war. By January 1920, the Bolsheviks controlled most of the former Russian Empire. So the Bolsheviks controlled the most of the former Russian Empire with the help of non-Russian nationalities as well as the Muslim Jadidis, and everywhere they got the cooperation from such people. But this cooperation could not work in those areas where the colonists themselves turned as Bolsheviks. Like one place, Khiva is a place in Central Asia where the Bolshevik colonists, we can say the residents, massacred local nationalists in name of defending socialism. So in the name of defending socialism, Bolshevik colonists massacred local nationalists. In this way, it created a confusion among the people. As I have given the example of Khiva is in Central Asia. So when the Bolsheviks itself were killing the people, just defending the socialism, so among the people a wrong message went and a type of confusion and chaos created. So this created, but to control the situation, the Bolsheviks given the political autonomy in the Soviet Union, where non-Russian nationalities supported and the Jadis supported Bolsheviks to control the empire. And in this way there was a formation of Soviet Union, means United Soviet State of Russia. It is the full form of USSR, United Soviet States of Russia. Soviet Union, the state the Bolshevik created from the Russian Empire in December 1922, means all the states which were earlier during the Tsar rule, which was the part of Russian Empire, all such states were controlled, occupied, and was formed a new state. This was known as USSR. USSR stands for Union States of Soviet Russia. Empire in December 1922. So in this way the October Revolution was completed and these changes were made, and then after there was a planning to make Russia a socialist state. So for this purpose, during the civil war, industries and banks were nationalized, peasants were permitted to cultivate the land, centralized planning process was introduced. As already I have told you that all these changes were already introduced in Russia during the civil war. Officials worked on how the economy will work and set targets for a 5-year plan. This was the Russia became the first country to introduce 5-year plan for the economic growth of Russia, to promote industries, to promote agricultural production, and to make the Russia economic